tins all ionized. So for today, I already done got started, but we are going to be doing a vegan sweet potato French toast. Vegan sweet potato French toast. So we are using one big old sweet potato, making it into a puree. We're going to mix that puree with a little bit of chickpea flour as our egg substitute, and then we're going to dip it in. I already have some sourdough bread, so we're going to use the rest of our sourdough bread. That's what we're going to be doing today. So as you're seeing, I'm cutting up all the skin, putting it in my compost pile. I'm saving all of our skin and everything, all of our food scraps, and putting it in the compost. Check out my composting video so you can see what I'm talking about if you don't know about compost. Use this little bitty thing, cut it slightly, and we're not gonna just be dicing it. We're just gonna be boiling it in some hot water, boiling it all the way down, stirring it into a puree. And we're going to be adding some things to that puree. This is a fall-inspired meal. You see, I'm with the frequencies of it. It's orange day. It's orange day today. If you aren't hip to the frequency of the days of the week and the frequencies of our meals and our foods and stuff, get my Frequency of You ebook. It tells you how to eat based off the days of the week. It tells you what to eat on Monday, the affirmations to say on Monday, the crystals to wear on Monday, the herbs, the teas that you can have on Mondays, the frequency tunings that you can play on Mondays, and it goes at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Also Sunday is the first day of the week. So there's purple foods, crown chakra, 528 hertz on that day. You know what I'm saying? So it tells you more in detail on my book. So get that book if y'all interested in it, on living on the frequency daily. Alright, here's all our sweet potatoes going into some boiling water. We're going to boil this on the stove. Boil it until it comes into a puree. Alright, y'all, so this is how our sweet potatoes are doing. I'm mashing it all together. Pouring a little bit. Well, let me see. I might pour a little bit out. So I'm making a puree. So you see how all of that is mashing all the way down. This is what we're going to add to our batter. Now that coconut milk that I made for the latte, I still have some more left over. See how I made that coconut milk on there? I'm gonna pour some of that in here. I'm gonna pour some of that coconut milk in here. You see how when it's coming into a puree a little bit. Now that that's coming to a little puree, the sweet potato puree, we're going to add some allspice, ginger, and cinnamon. So that was allspice, ginger, and cinnamon. And we're going to add a dash of vanilla. So we're going to add our coconut milk to this. I have our coconut milk right here. We're going to just add that to it. If you don't have any free-range eggs, pasteurized eggs, you can use applesauce, or you can use aquafaba, which is the water from the chickpeas. When you boil chickpeas down, aquafaba, that's what it's called, and you can add that in here. I was going to add a little bit of chickpea. Actually, yeah, I'm going to add just a little bit of chickpea flour. So what I'm going to do is, I grinded up some chickpeas already. I'm going to put a little bit of chickpeas. This is the bread that we're using. This is sourdough bread. So I'm going to put just like this. Put some water in it. Stir it up. Just like some eggs. Just stir it up like that. This is our egg replacement. Probably added a little bit too much water in it, but let's see. This is our egg replacement right here. Have free range eggs, go ahead and use that. Let me add a little bit more. Just a little bit more, because this is going to be our egg replacement for us vegans, plant-based people, or people that don't have free range eggs, free range pasteurized eggs, because that's better than having the eggs that's in a stove. Like, all right, y'all, I'm adding that egg replacement in there. Let that cool down. All right, we're cooling that down. We're going to get our pan. All right, I'm oiling my pan. All right, this is our puree. I'm gonna make sure that it covers both of the sides. If you want your puree to be a little bit more thinner, you can. Let me just put that on. But this will do. So it's sizzling. Bring our sourdough bread. Alright, so I made a thinner layer. I made a little bit thinner layer. Alright, y'all, this is the perfect layer that I did. Now let's layer the back. I learned from the first try it was too thick. So we're going to put the lightest spread on there. I'm just going to spread it on there lightly. Oh, it came out in the middle. Oh, because it's hot. That's why. I shouldn't have did it right when I'm ready for it. We're going to flip that around. I'm going to let y'all see that. This is the finished product of the first one. Yes, it broke a little bit off. We're going to be having it in pieces anyway. So, that's the first presentation. And the first one. So I had flipped it on the other side. I'm going to flip it back around so it can get brown right there. But let me see how that one's going. Okay, yeah. It's a piece of that one from the other one. There we go. I know the presentation don't look too good, but yeah, it's still. Let's check on this side and see how it's going. Okay, yeah. See, that side is more crisp. Let's see how that side is going. Let's put it back on that side. Yeah. It's broken up a little bit, but y'all get it. Y'all get it. This ain't really to be perfect for them. This spot is almost done. This done. It's done. Oh, it's hot. That's a piece of one. Here's how it's going. Alright, let me show y'all how it's looking. I know the presentation ain't really that's how it's looking. I sliced it up. These are the ones that's still cooking. We're gonna make our puree sauce with some honey in there, make it a little bit runny. The finished product, I added some strawberries just for the aesthetics. And so now we're going to drizzle. Y'all see that? This is the sauce that's going to go with the sweet potato puree. Yeah, we're going to eat it together each. This is all ours. Look at that. It's hot, but look at that. It's steaming hot. That is good. Okay, it looks so good. It looks good because it is good. That's the French toast, sweet potato French toast with some sweet potato puree on the top of it. This is a fall inspired meal. Sweet potatoes. Ashay, let's dig in. Eat it together. Clear your table. We're gonna eat this together. All right. Hold on, wait a minute. We gotta clear your table off because we're gonna eat this together. You didn't even. Hold on. Wait a minute. Here's your fork.
Thank you.
Here's my fork. And you want me to cut it for you? Here, put the fork in it so I can, put the fork in it so I can cut it good. Now put a little honey in there too, so it's sweet enough. Hold on. Now I got two hands. Cut it. Now, let's taste it. I'm gonna put me a strawberry on top of it. Let me taste it. Egypt says she likes it. You can put a strawberry on top of it if you want. This is good. I was gonna add some chickpea eggs to it, but to be honest with you, I've been doing a lot all day. This is like this is my fourth video today, so I was like, yo, I'm just gonna make these and we're gonna just do what it do. This is our brunch. I'm probably not even gonna eat nothing else today but some greens. I say, now you want me to cut it? You're gonna get your nutrients. Yeah, you're trying to look at it. We eating this together. Yeah, we eating this together. We having the meal together. And here will with my side. Yeah, y'all. So yeah, y'all. So this is real good. I did that. The only thing that I would change is probably the bread part. I would choose another bread like Batrache. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the Batrache type of bread, or the ends of the the sourdough bread, the ends of it, like a more thicker. Yeah, that's what I'm going at, like a more thicker bread. So yeah. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all make this yourself. Have y'all a good day. Make this for y'all brunch. Make this for your breakfast. Whatever the case may be. Make this for dinner. But make it. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace and love, light to you. Sending love to you on your journey. You like it, Egypt? His shirt all messed up because of the juice that we had. But alright, y'all. See y'all in the next video. We eating.